Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg. You see before you a 14-inch or 36cm square canvas, which I have put some black paint on, and it doesn't want to stick to the canvas, but that will be okay because I'm going to be playing with it here and hopefully end up with something rather nice. I have black, white, blue, cobalt blue and gold, and oh goodness, look at that. Anyway, so I just wanted to have a little try at something I was actually thinking about just the other day, and do a little bit of a swipe. Not too pedantic with where the colours fall, just any old sort of like that is good. Bit of blue, it's pretty. These colours, the gold and the blue do have silicone in them. I'm not expecting it to do much because I did give them a bit of a stir, but here we go. This is what the first step should be. That'll be nice, and then I want some white, a little bit of blue, and some gold. And now, this might do. Might be too wide, let me tear a piece of it off. Right, just a piece of cardboard. Can't see my trusty little bit of plastic. Alright, the cardboard will do. And just with the dribbles there, just to make it that little bit different. Okay, so I have my little ghosties, my little line, out of my way. It's quite pretty. And let it all rock and roll. And back this way. The recipes for the pouring medium and these paints is below the video. Under show more you will find that, and welcome to go and have a look at that. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're invited to come and join us over there if you'd like to. Real fun group. It's a little bit quiet at the moment. It's just past New Year and people are coming and going. Got a couple of little spots over here I don't like. Just get rid of these. Bit of finger painting never hurt anybody. Alright, so I think I have everything covered. I know my corners are, which is rather good. I'll just wipe my fingers off. Doesn't really that's, I like that very well. And just bring some of the lines down or up. The gold is beautiful, it's sparkling underneath the lights and it always dries lovely. I like this gold. And I might just do a little bit more black here and there where it's not very bright. Alright, I think I'll leave it at that. It's really pretty. I'll bring you down to have a look and get you untangled. So this is what I've been looking at. I rather like this way I've done this one. A little bit different. The cameras are not actually picking up the sparkles off the gold. It really does, but it really is a pretty painting. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please give it the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate people giving me the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the little bell and you'll be notified as I put up more videos. Thanks again for watching. So bye for now.